Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, guys, I am going to be unboxing my Boxycharm Tarte Takeover. This is for the month of October 2022. I believe everybody's getting the same stuff, but I have not sneaked into anybody's video, so I don't really know what's in this box. But if you want to know what I got in my box, then just go ahead and keep on watching. And of course, guys, if you guys are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe down below and hit that notification bell so you can be part of my YouTube family. And let's go ahead and get started with this unboxing. Okay, guys, so let's jump right into this little box. So this is what the box looks like. I feel like it's so super cute. I feel like they should honestly be doing this with more brands. I really am excited about this one. Hopefully it is a good box. I remember I did have like a fancy takeover box, and now we're getting the Tarte. Unfortunately, guys, I am canceling my Boxycharm subscription just because I do get a bunch of product from work. I want to start utilizing that product and doing videos on it. If you guys didn't know, I do work at Sephora, so make sure you guys look out for that. And if you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe so you can be part of the YouTube family. But yeah, this is my last month of Boxycharm. I'm canceling both my premium and my base box. So anyways, let's go ahead and jump into this unboxing. Oh my god, it is so pretty, guys. Okay, so this is what the box looks like. And here is the card. All right, guys, so this is the first thing that I am pulling. I actually really love this mascara. If you guys haven't used it, it is a pretty good one. Just personal preference. It is a really good one. I personally like it. There is better ones out there, but it is still a really good mascara. So this one is the Lights Camera Lashes. It's a 4-in-1 mascara. It does give you that extra length and volume from the root up. It is in the color black, and I really like it. I'm always down for a new mascara because I go through my mascaras every single day. I do my full beat makeup every single day. So this is a really good one. I am going to be putting this to use, and I'm excited for it. I am going to open it because I don't remember what the wand looks like. Oh yeah, it is kind of small, not that big, but I do remember liking this mascara, and I feel like the value of this box is definitely worth it. So this was the first item that we got. Leave me a comment down below. I want to know, what is your favorite item from Tarte? I am just curious to know. I remember loving the Tarte eyelash glue. I remember loving that as well. But yeah, that is our first item. Let's see what else we got in our box. Let's see what this one is right here. So this right here is the Tarte Drink of H2O. This is what the little box looks like. And this is going to be a hydrating boost cream. So I believe this is part of their skincare line. I know we have it at Sephora, but I really don't like hang out at Tarte very much. I'm everywhere else. But anyways, this is what the little jar looks like. And I believe this is all part of like the Tarte of the Sea collection, because just of the packaging looks like it's the Tarte of the Sea collection to me. I could be wrong, but this is going to be a H2O hydrating cream, mostly targeted for people that have like dry skin. I'm more of a combination type of skin. I'm kind of oily in my T-zone, and then the perimeters of my face are kind of dry. I do get like some little dry patches here and there, and my foundation will cling onto it. So this is a really good moisturizer. If you have dry skin, I will definitely be putting this to use. All right, so we got a mascara, we got a little moisturizer, and this is what is in the box as well. It looks a little weird. This is the Awake by Tarte. It is a sunshine stick. It is a illuminator. So this is gonna be a highlighter. Okay guys, so I was able to take out this highlighter out, and I haven't seen this item, but this is what it looks like. The color is really pretty. It looks like it will illuminate. See what it looks like. This is what it looks like. So it looks super radiant. It kind of looks like it's going to give you like a glow from within if you use it. Yeah, I'm going to look more into this product because I have never seen this product before. So I don't even know where it's sold or if it's at Tarte.com or if maybe Ulta carries it. I'm not sure. But this is so it's a instant lit from glow within a stick formula. It's going to help awake. It has a blend of 5 antioxidant rich fruits, help instantly nourish, soothe, and smooth cooling sensation, energizes the skin, and reduces the look of puffiness and dark circles. So you could kind of use it for your under eye. And then it also says, I am a multitasking stick. Instantly brightens to wake up tired under eyes, blur discoloration, and add luminosity to the high points of the face. Okay, that's interesting. I'm going to put that to use. Okay, guys, and then up next, this is what we have left in our box. So this looks like this is going to be one of their eyeliners. It looks like it's a dual-sided eyeliner. So this one is the Double Take Awake, and this is a micro liquid eyeliner and a brightener micro eyeliner. So it's gonna give you that illumination. I feel like I like this one. I really like to put a white gel eyeliner inside of my waterline because my eyes look more brightened. So this is what mine looks like. It looks a little beat up, but it is okay. Hopefully it's okay in there. But let's see what this looks like in here. Let me take it out. Let's just put this to the side. So this is what this one looks like. Ooh, yes, it is a very nice off-white shade and it looks really nice. I like to put this inside of my waterline so it makes me look more awake. This is definitely a shade that I would definitely use because I like bright white in my waterline. But this is a really nice neutral shade that you can add. And it'll definitely brighten your eye and it'll make you look more awake. Then on this side, guys, it also does look like it has a little baby eyeliner. And I really like that because I cannot do eyeliner for my life. But I feel like I could actually kind of work with this one because it is so nice and tiny. So if you're maybe like a beginner like myself with the eyeliner, because girl, I cannot do wings for my life. This one looks like it's a really nice one that you can go in with and kind of do like that little baby wing. I'm so excited for this one. This one's a really good one. I am for sure going to get good use out of this little tool here. Then up next, it looks like we got a little Maracuja lip plumping thing. I remember these went viral like in TikTok. I feel like these sell very well at Sephora too. This one is in the shade called Maracuja Juicy Lip. This is the shade, and I remember that you would just like click it and then it'll come up. These are super popular. This is what it looks like. And there is the shade Super Pretty. So you just pop it and then it'll lift up. Let's see. Oh my god, the lips look super juicy. I do remember liking this product, and it was selling because it went viral over TikTok. That's where it went super viral, and everybody was coming in to buy these, and here we are getting it in our Boxycharm. So I'm so down for it. I will definitely also get a good use out of this Maracuja lippy. And then it also looks like we do have one more item in the box. This is just trash, basurita. Oh, look how pretty the presentation of the box is. And it looks like we have a little eyeshadow palette down here. Oh my god. These shades look super pretty, like an everyday, very neutral palette. It looks like it does have like some mattes, some shimmers, some colors that you can use every single day for any kind of look. And let's take it out. It looks like it's a 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it is 9 eyeshadows in this little eyeshadow palette. This is what the cover looks like. It is so pretty. Well, let's see. Oh, girl. Okay, let's cover this mirror. But this is, I cannot. This is what the, oh my god, it's a fail. This is what the palette looks like. It is so freaking pretty. So it does have really nice shimmers and matte shades just to create an everyday natural shade. An everyday natural shade on your eyes. A whole little natural look if that's what you're going for. And that's gonna be it, guys. This is everything that I got in my box. I am actually giving this box like a 90 out of 100% because I don't know if I'm going to get much use out of this. I'm going to try out this product, but I've never, like, I don't know. I guess the whole concept of it might work, but I don't know. I don't know if I would really use it like every single day. So I just don't want to like not use the product and just have it collect dust. But everything else in my box, I absolutely love. I love my mascara. I love that Drink H2O little hydrating cream. I like this eyeshadow palette. I think it's a very pretty. I love that it has a hard cover. Feels very good. I love the Maracuja Lippy. It is really nice and soft, and it just makes my lips look nice and juicy. What else? What else did we get? Oh, the eyeliner. I really like that eyeliner. I feel like it's a really good one where you can go in and do detail if you're a beginner like myself. With the wings, it's going to come through. And then I really like that brightening, the other duo side where it has that brightening eyeliner. That's a plus. And I am impressed with my box. I honestly really like my box. However, I am going to cancel. So make sure you guys look out for my base box video to come out real soon. I'm still waiting for my tracking number, and that's gonna be it, guys. If you guys like this video, please make sure to leave your girl a big thumbs up, like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I hope to see you guys on my next video. Bye.